I want to share with you a quick pro tip on how to leverage your smart CRM a bit better. Especially, this is where a list of all of your contacts may be in your CRM, whether it be kvCORE, whether it be Boomtown or BT Pro. This is a great solution that I'm going to share with you that's going to make your life a lot easier and make it a bit more efficient when you go from lead generations to conversion. Stay with me. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty Brokerage, and I'm also a kvCORE peer coach with Inside Real Estate. And if this is your first time joining me on my YouTube channel, I highly recommend you click on that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And you could be part of my YouTube community and we can learn and grow together. And if you want to partner with me and to work with me at eXp Realty, and if you're wondering how I can help you grow your business, I highly recommend you click on that link and check it out. All the information is there. You can book a call with me and you can meet with me one-on-one, and I could show you exactly how I can be of support to you. So let's get started. This is a really quick video, a quick solution that focuses on helping you leverage and making your follow-up and building your relationship with your leads a lot better, moving you closer to that conversion and closing that deal. I'm going to just zoom into this image. Folks, when you're inside your CRM, I highly recommend you go into your CRM and look at the filters of how you could filter the list of contacts. And once you know all the different capabilities that is available in your CRM, you can start to organize your list according to who they are, what their needs are, where they're coming from. Are they hot, warm, cold? And the reason why you want to do this is because how you communicate with them, how you follow up with them will allow you to, again, better be of service to your leads and your database. A lot of people have a list of contacts. They have a couple of people in mind where they left off, but they're everywhere. They're using their CRM, another CRM. They're using their Excel document, notebooks. You don't need to do all of that. Your CRM can do all of this for you. One CRM. Highly recommend you go into your smart campaign and look at how you can organize them according to status. Are they a new lead? Are they someone who responded to you? Are they a sphere? Are they in your own network? Or are these leads that are someone who's a client that I'm working with? Are they on contract? And you're going to treat them all different. And are they a buyer? Are they a seller? And what really unique is that you can start to organize your database according to hashtag. So whether they came from a particular event, they came from, again, a networking event or a farming, strategy that you leverage. Maybe they're door knocking clients. Maybe they came from a particular open house, and they would all be communicated differently because some of them you might have met in person and have a little bit more deeper relationship with than someone who's a cold lead that's coming from an ad. So I highly recommend you go through your save filter, your filters that are available, and you could save them. And so now you've grouped all of your list of people saying XYZ Smart House 123 Main Street Smart House 123 Main Street open house. And now you know that those people that you met at this open house, you're going to speak to them a little bit differently because they're looking for a particular home like this. So that would be my recommendation, is because there are some people you've spoken to who's told you that they may buy their home in the next 3 months. You could put them in a little different, hot, warm, a little bit different bucket. People that are coming from ads, or people who've spoken to you or you've spoken to that have told you that they're buying their house in a year from now, 2 years from now, you could put them in a different bucket and you need to warm them up. So it's so important if you have certain folders that tell you what each of those folders and each of those contacts do. Now they're a bit more organized. And are they people that have phone number? Are they subscribed? Are they unsubscribed from emails or phone? So this way, all these people, next time I call them, I need to make sure I get their email address or whatever it may be. And this is such a great way for you to, again, leverage your tools, your CRM, your customer relationship management better. So this tool has all the list of your contacts and you can organize them better so that you can serve them better and you know exactly how to approach them. And if you want me to dive deeper into this, I'm happy to. Let me know in the comment section exactly what you're struggling with so I'm able to create a video for you. But I just want to come on here and just quickly show you this because now This is just a quick save filter that says test, but again, you don't need to copy mine because I use it for lots of different ways and lots of different trainings, and my business might be different than yours. And this is the new look and feel Smart CRM. As you can see, kvCORE did enhance their look and feel of their Smart CRM and how they are laid out. However, you can again create different folders and different contacts according to what buckets they fall in, and if they're a hot lead, a warm lead, or are they someone that came from a particular referral, whatever may be. And this is just going to help you make your business so much more smooth, efficient, productive, again, helping you create income that much better, and helping you with a lot of energy and time that and money that could be wasted. I hope this was helpful for you. Once again, please join me in my community and click on that subscribe button. And if you want to partner with me, work with me, click on that link in the description below and learn all about it. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this quick tip, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.